Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unlink Google Photo from your gallery. So first thing you have to do is open up your Photos, and this is the homepage of your Google Photos. So you look above your screen, you can see your profile right there. You scroll down to where it says Photo Settings, open that up and you can see your backup. Click on the backup and make sure you turn off the backup. So once you turn off the backup, you go back and go back to your phone settings, open up your phone settings and scroll down till you see apps. So open up your apps and you're going to go straight to your gallery. Yes, gallery. Okay, sorry, your Google Photos. Search for it. Yep. So open that up, go to permissions, and you click on where it says photos and videos. Click on don't allow. So you have just unlinked your Google Photos from your gallery. If you find this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.